Good morning, dear friend. Welcome in Study Buddy channel. Myself, Professor K.S. Banker, and today we'll discuss about the example of crashing of the project. So, in the previous lectures, I had discussed about introduction of crashing. So, crashing is what? Crashing is a process through which we can reduce the time of project by reducing the activity time. And if we reduce or we crash the activity, then total project duration will be reduced and ultimately the cost will be reduced. So our aim is to reduce the cost of the project through the crashing method. So today we will discuss about the crashing problem 1. So the problem number 1 is the data for network is given below, and the example was asked in GTU November 2018. Okay, so here one table is given in which the activity and normal time, crash time is given, and normal cost and crash cost are given. Okay, so time in normal and crash as well as cost in normal and crash. So these data are given in the example and you have to find out this. Consider indirect cost as rupees 1000 per day. So 1000 rupees is your indirect cost. So find the normal duration of the project completion and corresponding cost. Then what can be the minimum compression of the project and corresponding total time? And third one is find the optimum duration of the project completion and related cost. So first of all, we will just draw the network diagram and find normal duration of the project completion time. Okay, so here as per example, this is the activity 1 to 2. So draw 1 to 2, corresponding normal time is 10 days. Then this is activity number 1 to 3 and time is 12 day. This is the activity 2 to 4. Okay, so this is 2 to 4 and time is 20 days. 3 to 5 activity, time is 10 days. And last activity 4 to 5. So join this event number 4 to 5 and the corresponding time is 6. So this is our network diagram. So from this network diagram, you just find out the project completion time. Okay, so this is our first finding. What we have to find the normal duration of the project completion and corresponding cost. Okay, so for that, see, this is the total normal cost. Okay, summation of all these normal cost is equal to total normal cost 8300. Okay, so this is your network diagram. So from the network diagram, you can determine the critical path. Longest path is your critical path. So critical path is 1 2 2 to 4 4 to 5. So 10 plus 20 plus 6 is equal to 36. So 36 and another is 10 plus 12 22. So this will become your critical path because it is the longest path. So critical path is 1 to 2 2 to 4 4 to 5 and the duration of the project is 36 days and the corresponding cost, total cost is equal to total normal cost plus total indirect cost. As we had discussed in the previous lecture, the total cost equation, total cost is equal to total normal cost, means 8300, summation of all normal cost. Okay, it is total normal cost. So 8300 plus, in example, indirect cost are given here. Indirect cost are given in the example. Okay, so that is 1000 rupees. So total indirect cost is equal to 1000 and total number of days. Okay, 36 डेज प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हो रहे, तो एक दिन के लिए 1000 रुपीज़ इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट है. सो टोटल इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट 1000 इंटू 36, that is 36,000. So total cost is equal to 8,300 plus indirect cost. So 44,300 rupees. This is total normal cost of the project. So duration of the project is 36 days and corresponding cost is for 44,300 rupees. So we have completed our first step. Now go for the step number 2. Okay, so for the next step, always keep in your mind, find out the cost slope for all the activity. Okay, so as we had discussed in the previous lecture, cost slope equation is crash cost minus normal cost. This is a crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time. This is a normal time, sorry, this is a normal time minus crash time. Okay, crash cost, this is a crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time minus crash time. Okay, so from this equation we have to find out the cost slope for each and every activity. Okay, cost slope is nothing but a crash cost per day. Okay, it is a crash cost per day. So find out all the cost slope for each and every activity. So for activity number 1 to 2, this is 1 to 2. So cost slope would be 3100 crash cost minus 2300 divided by 10 minus 4. Okay, so that is 133.33. Then for activity 1 to 3, 100, 2 to 4, 200, 3 to 4, 500, and 4 to 5, 800 minus 800, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. So it is 0. Okay, so this is your cost slope. Now you can crash the activity by selecting a least cost slope from the critical activity. So we have found out the critical activity. Our critical activity is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. So this is our critical activity 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 5. So among this critical activity, select the minimum one. So this is the cost slope of critical activity. Okay, so select the minimum one. Okay, this is 0, so you cannot select this. So from 200 and 133.33, so this is the minimum one, so select this one. Okay, so you have to crash this activity by this much of time. Okay, normal time is 10 and crash time is 4. So you have to crash the activity from 10 days to 4 days. So 6 days, you have to crash the 6 days, because your activity will crash from 10 days to 4 days. Okay, so we will just crash the first activity, that is 1 to 2. Okay, so this is the network diagram and this is our critical path. Our critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. Okay, but we just crash the first activity, that is the activity 1 to 2 having the 10 days. Okay, so we will crash to 10 to 4 days. Okay, as we have seen in this diagram, this is the normal time. 10 days is the normal time of activity 2. So we will crash that 10 days to 4 days. So the crashing is what? 6 days crashing. 6 days crashing. क्या किया हमने? 10 डेज से एक्टिविटी को रिड्यूस करके 6 डेज में खत्म कर देंगे एक्टिविटी. सो दिस इज द क्रैशिंग. ओके, सो इन दिस फिगर activity 1 to 2 crash by 6 days. Okay, so the critical path would be 4 plus 20 plus 6. 4 plus 20 plus 6, that is equal to 30 days. Okay, so the new critical path is again the same. Okay, and the duration of the project is 30 days. So we have just reduced 6 days. Previously the project was completed in 36 days. Now the project will be completed in 30 days. So we have just reduced the project by 6th day. Now the associated cost, if we reduce the project by 6 days, then what would be the cost of the project? So that cost will be given by this equation. Total cost is equal to previous total cost plus crash cost minus indirect cost. क्यों हमने यहाँ पे माइनस किया? बिकॉज इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट यहाँ पे रिड्यूस होगी. कैसे? बिकॉज जो भी हम एक्टिविटी क्रैश करेंगे तो जो एक्चुअल में उसकी कॉस्ट होने वाली थी वो उतने दिन घट जाएगी. सो इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट उतनी दिन की घट जाएगी 6 डेज. और कौन सी कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगी? क्रैश कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगी. जो हमने एक्स्ट्रा रिसोर्सेज यूज़ किए हैं एक्टिविटी के लिए, एक्टिविटी जल्दी ख़त्म करने के लिए, वो रिसोर्सेज की कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगी. वो रिसोर्सेज की कॉस्ट बोलते हैं क्रैश कॉस्ट. ओके, सो ये बढ़ेगी. सो ये प्लस होगी और इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट जो माइनस होगी. बिकॉज we finished our activity by some days, so obviously that indirect cost will be reduced. So minus the indirect cost. So previous total cost is 44,300 rupees plus crash cost is what? Crash cost is cost slope. Okay, 133.33 is our cost slope. Multiply with crash days. Okay, 6 days crashing, so multiply with crashing 133.33 multiply with 6 minus indirect cost is 1000 is your indirect cost multiply with 6 days. Okay, कितने डेज के लिए हमने क्रैश किया? 6 डेज के लिए. सो 6 डेज की इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट अल्टीमेटली टोटल कॉस्ट से घट जाएगी. सो माइनस 1000 इंटू 6. So 44,300 plus 800 minus 600. So you will get the 39,100 rupees. So this is the new cost after crashing. So this is the first cost. So first crashing 1 to 2 activity and it is crashed by 6 days and you will get the new cost after crashing is 39,100 rupees. Now see this chart again in the critical path. This is the critical path. So in again select the minimum one. So this activity we have already selected. Now remaining is this. Okay, this is 0, so you cannot select this. So select this 2 to 4 activity. Okay, associated cost slope is 200 rupees. Okay, now crash your activity by this much amount. Here normal time is 20. So 20 days में आपकी एक्टिविटी खत्म हो रही है 2 to 4 नंबर. ओके, सो क्रैश टाइम कितना है? 10 डेज. सो 10 डेज में आपको एक्टिविटी खत्म करनी है. फिर क्या होगा देखते हैं. यस, इन दिस डायग्राम सी इफ वी फिनिश द एक्टिविटी बाय 10 days then what would be happen? The 4 plus 10 plus 6. So 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 10 20. So 20 इस पाथ का टाइम होगा 20 और यहाँ पे 10 plus 12 so 22. So this path would be your critical path. Okay, another path will become the critical path. So to avoid this we will just crash our activity by this much amount. यहाँ पे एक्चुअल टाइम कितना है? 20 है. सो हम 10 डेज रिड्यूस नहीं करेंगे, 7 डेज क्रैश करेंगे. बिकॉज अगर ज़्यादा क्रैश करेंगे तो दिस एक्टिविटी विल बिकम दी योर न्यू क्रिटिकल पाथ. सो टू अवॉइड दिस सिचुएशन वी विल जस्ट क्रैश इट दिस एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम 20 days to 13 days means 7 days crashing. So second crashing 2 to 4 activity by 7 days. Now calculate the critical path. Okay, so this will become your critical path 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 2 to 5 and associated cost associated days is 4 plus 13 plus 6 is equal to 23 days. So after crashing your project will be completed in 23 days. Now what would be your new cost? The total cost is equal to previous total cost plus crash cost minus indirect cost. Okay, so this is the 44,300 rupees is the previous cost. So here total cost is equal to previous cost. So here I have made mistake. The total previous cost is not 44,300 rupees. Our previous cost was, yes, this is our previous cost, 39,100 rupees, this one. So you have to take this 39,100 rupees. So here you have to just mention, I have just typographical mistake, 39,100 rupees is your previous cost, plus crash cost, that is 200 into how much days crashing, 7 days, multiply with 7, minus indirect cost 1000 into multiply with the crashing. Okay, so you will get the 33,500 rupees. Okay, here you have to take this amount 39,100 rupees, that is our previous cost. This is the error, I have made the mistake. Okay, so you just take 39,100 rupees, so you will get the 33,500 rupees over here. Okay, but now here you have to stop the crashing. Why? Because if you crash more from this activity, then this path will become your critical path. Okay, so we had discussed in the previous lecture, if the circumstances around that new path will become your critical path, then at that time stop the crashing. Okay, so here we have to stop our crashing procedure. So this is our ultimate or final answer. So our answer will be, okay, what we have to find. In the example, the question was asked, what can be the minimum compression of the project and the corresponding total time? So your answer would be, the minimum compression of the project is 2 times. Okay, crashing 1 and crashing 2. हमने क्या किया, 2 बार crashing किया. Okay, so minimum compression of the project is 2 times. And corresponding total time is 13 days. Okay, सर 13 डेज का क्रैशिंग किया. कैसे 13 डेज का? पहले 6 डेज क्रैशिंग और बाद में 7 डेज. सो 6 + 7 13. सो 13 डेज का टोटल टाइम का क्रैश हुआ. क्रैशिंग इज 13 डेज. नाउ सेकंड थिंग विच वाज आस्क्ड इन एग्जांपल इज, find the optimum duration of the project completion and related cost. So the optimum duration of the project completion is 23 days. Okay, here see, this is the 23 days. In the second crashing, you will get your project will be completed in 23 days and associated cost 33,500 rupees. So your answer would be, the optimum duration of the project completion is 23 days and the related project cost is 33,500 rupees. Okay, so here I just end up this example as well as lecture. If you have any doubt in this video lecture, then please ask any query in the comment box of this video. So thank you very much, all of you.